Hey everyone. Okay, how's everyone doing? Okay, so I'm going to upgrade my car stereo. So I bought this Boss, new stereo that has the Apple CarPlay capability as well as Android. As you can see, this one here, Boss BVC 5. I'm sorry, BVC P968. Right. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have these bunch of wire harnesses, as you can see, right? So I had to connect these to what's compatible with my car's existing stereo, which is a Toyota, right? So I have these, accessories, harnesses that I bought, and what I'm doing as first thing is I'm basically using these butt connectors, you can see, to connect these wires. You can see these wires in different colors. This is the new one. This is for the new stereo, and this should be for my existing. So I'll have to connect these wires to these, right? Same color. Make sure you have the connectors, the wires connected to the corresponding wire that is either for the power or for the speakers, right? Mostly for power and speakers. So first thing I'm going to do is, as you can see, what I have already been doing is using these butt connectors. You can just basically squeeze this in. Make sure you have the wire, the metal part, twisted properly, and then you basically just squeeze this in. And then using pliers, you can see, you just squeeze this, press this, not too hard. Oops, didn't work, so I'm going to use another one, sorry. So let's do this again, excuse me. Okay, so using this, and then just press using the the pliers. Make sure you press on the metal part. You can see here, not the plastic part. So metal part. All right. So now it's sturdy. It's tight. And then basically I'm going to do this for the rest of the wires, and then I'll show you how to connect the stereo at the the car, right, at the car dashboard. All right. Okay, everyone, I have the wire harness connected on both ends. You can see right here. Let me turn the light on. Okay, so now you can see the wire harness. This is the connector to the new CarPlay, Apple CarPlay stereo, and this is the harness that will be connected to the car's existing harness. All right, so you can see I already connected all the wires, all the necessary wires, and now it's time to test our new stereo, right? And I have all the tools, so let me just walk down to my car. Hey everyone. Okay, so I connected the new stereo, as you can see, with the wire harnesses in my car to the connectors. As you can see, this is the wire harness that I connected using the butt connectors, and this is the new car stereo. So let's try the Apple CarPlay, right? Okay, so for CarPlay, what I have to do is to use a lightning cable, which gets connected to the port at the new stereo that says Apple CarPlay. So I already connected this. Now this goes into the iPhone. So let's see what happens. It might actually turn off the camera. Okay, so looks like it worked. You can see now the Apple CarPlay is on, connected using this lightning cable. Now you can make phone calls. You can see keypad, You can do messages. Let's go back. Messages here, and you can go up and down, etc., etc., right? And then what else we got here? Hold on a second. You can navigate, using your fingers. You can use Waze. This is the great feature, so I don't have to use Waze, with my iPhone. So you can enter the address here, right? But everything is via via the voice control. So you can enter the address using voice. So there's no keyboard on this. All right. So I just have to mount this, and I'm just waiting for the cable to connect to the the tuner, the antenna connector. All right. And then it also has the handset, as you can see. I'm sorry, hands-free, which is the Bluetooth. So pretty neat, huh? Yep. All right. That was pretty easy, right? Well, it wasn't easy. It was a lot of work. But here we go. New car stereo with Apple CarPlay, and also it has one last thing. It also has the Android. So if you have Android, you can click on it, but because it's not connected, it's not going to work.